What's going on? This is Ryan. While CES has been going on, I've been here in Disney, and unfortunately the half marathon was canceled. But these runners are doing it anyways with plenty of supporters, so it shows the Disney spirit is alive and well. Anyways, let's check out what's new at CES this year. At CES this year, Linksys announced their new mesh network solution, and they call it Velop. So what is a mesh network? Typically, a router only provides one internet access point in your home. So if you're far away from this point, your speeds can slow down and streaming video can buffer. A repeater can help, but then you're stuck with two different networks that you may manually need to switch between as you move around your home. Mesh networks solve this issue by giving you multiple internet access points in your home, and your devices see this as one solid network, and handoff between points is seamless and does not require you to mess with your phone's Wi-Fi settings. The Linksys Velop is very easy to set up thanks to their smartphone app and Bluetooth technology. Simply launch the app and it will walk you through the necessary connections and ask you to power up the first node. It will detect it by Bluetooth and send your settings to it. The app will then walk you through setting up the additional nodes to expand your network. In my home, performance worked very well. My internet speed maxes out at 30 megabits per second, and I was able to reach this speed in the bedroom on the far end of my house, where I typically only see between 8 and 10 megabits per second with my old router. One issue I ran into is the lack of a web-based interface. Everything must be done through your smartphone or tablet, as there is no way to access the Velop settings from a computer. The app can be a little buggy at times and occasionally freezes, requiring you to force close it. The app is also missing some advanced settings that you typically find on other routers, such as DHCP reservations. Linksys may improve this over time, and unless you're a power user, you'll likely be fine with the settings available in the app, which include MAC filtering and guest networks. The Velop system is also lacking in Ethernet ports. Each node has two ports, so you can connect an older smart TV or printer that may not have Wi-Fi. However, if you have multiple devices that you normally wire to your router, you'll likely need to purchase a network switch to expand the number of available ports. Despite this, the Linksys Velop is a great solution for blanketing your home in a solid Wi-Fi connection. The multiple nodes will definitely help solve streaming and buffering issues in the far corners of your house. If you have a smaller home or apartment, you can also save some money by purchasing the 2-pack version of Velop. Thanks for watching.